Philanthropy is so important for a hospital like this because to be a leading cutting-edge hospital, you have to have the latest and greatest equipment. That is not possible without philanthropic support. So we depend on our donors to provide the kind of equipment and services that we need to be a leading hospital.
The Sutter Medical Center Foundation has had a tremendous impact on the way this hospital has moved over the last 30 years, and particularly the last 6 or 7 years that I've been associated with it. Several service lines have actually opened up because of contributions from the foundation. And those service lines would not have been possible, or certainly would not have been expanded to the extent they are without the foundation's input.
Over the last 30 years, as the system has grown, philanthropy has grown with it. We're standing in $1 billion new facility that was funded by the generosity of people in this area. And without those financial funds, we wouldn't have this.
One of the most exciting areas where we've really had the opportunity to see the impact across the entire continuum of care has been in the neonatal intensive care unit, where we've had the chance to have dollars donated to support sending our staff and our team out to pick up a fragile newborn who's requiring care, all the way to the milk warmer that ensures that we're giving milk to our newborn NICU patients warm and evenly heated.
We have a vibrant and growing and active music therapy program here at the Sutter Children's Center, which is in total thanks to the foundation and their relationship with the Steve Young Foundation. So now children can go to the music therapy department and get treatment for their soul and their body in an interactive, playful, and imaginative way that's really quite extraordinary.
This is our ultrasound machine that we got last year from the Philanthropy department. The old machine we had was from the mid-90s, so we had a really old model, but we never had any money to be able to purchase it. When we brought it to the Philanthropy folks, they said that's exactly what we're here for, and they were able to purchase this, we call it the Cadillac ultrasound machine. It's been a real help to us getting IV access in small children.
With the help and major support of the foundation, we now have a cutting-edge hybrid suite in the new hospital. It allows us to do things we could never have done before here.
Without the level of service that these programs can provide, patients would have to be transferred to the Bay Area, for example. But we have truly put Sutter Medical Center Sacramento on the map as a referral center for these advanced diagnostic and therapeutic procedures.
When you wheel in a new vital sign machine, it says something about you as an organization, that we have the latest and the greatest. And that's who we are at Sutter, is wanting to have the best so that we can take the best care of our patients.
Even the smallest donation makes a difference. It's what is in your heart. That's the most important part.
Whatever you can afford is helpful to this patient population.
It truly allows us to have the tools and resources we need to feel confident and successful we're delivering on our promise to these patients.
The foundation has been critical to the success of the Sutter Children's Center, so the opportunity going forward for Sacramento is limitless with the help of the foundation.